You know, being a social media influencer used to feel simple. I posted content, my followers saw it, and engagement flowed naturally. But lately, everything has changed. I've watched my posts get buried under algorithm updates I didn't ask for and can't control. One day, my content performs well. The next day, it tanks because no one saw it. It's frustrating because I know my audience wants to hear from me, but platform algorithms keep getting in the way. Let's be honest, it's exhausting. The algorithm decides whether your followers even get to see your content. It feels like being held hostage by systems that constantly shift the rules, and platforms keep blocking your connections. As influencers, creators, and business owners, we're told to beat the algorithm. But how do you beat something that changes every week? How do you maintain real engagement when your visibility is controlled by a machine you can't influence? That's why I started using 𝙃𝙀'𝙨, the AI-powered texting app built specifically for influencers, creators, and business owners who want direct communication without relying on social media algorithms. 𝙃𝙀'𝙨 lets me connect with my followers and customers instantly, in seconds, through direct text messaging. No algorithm, no suppression, no guessing. Just real, guaranteed visibility. Now, whenever I post new content, launch a product, announce an event, or share an exclusive offer, I can send a quick, AI-optimized message straight to the people who want it most, letting them know I have just posted content and on what social media platform. They actually see it and start to engage, kickstarting views, reactions, and clicks, completely bypassing the constant algorithm changes. 𝙃𝙀'𝙨 uses smart AI tools to help me write personalized follower messages. It even gives me templates, corrects all typos and grammatical errors, tone adjustments, and includes translation options so I can reach my audience in over 40+ different languages. I've stopped hoping the algorithm blesses my content. I can finally take control of my communication. My followers know about my updates instantly. My engagement is consistent, and my community feels more connected than ever. I'm building direct, meaningful, private relationships, and that's something no algorithm can ever take away. Use 𝙃𝙀'𝙨 today and see how easy it is to communicate smarter, faster, and more effectively. Use the link in this video for the special promo code. Receive 5 complimentary gifts when you download the app.